Welcome to MySchool training. In this video, we'll be showing you how to grade an assignment using an achievement scale with learning outcomes. To open assignments, you can use the quick links to access the Create assignment, or go to the Assignments menu header and enter the grade view from there. If assignments have been created, then they appear in scrolling columns. Select the course from the drop-down menu and make sure you're in the correct term. Clicking on View All shows all assignments attached to the courses taught. To the left there is a list of students attached to the course, and scrolling from right to left the assignments are listed in columns. If selected, then they will be grouped per topic, then chronological order. Mouse over the title to bring up some further information. If you click on the link, then you're taken to the Create Assignment function. There is also the due date and the shortcode of the learning outcome. In the grading grid, the grey arrows show that options are available for grading. In this case, a simple 3-step achievement scale. Click on the arrow to show the options, and select one accordingly. A pop-up confirms that entry has been recorded. Click in the bottom right corner of a full cell, and you can drag the assessment down the column. Whilst the cells are still selected, then delete with the delete button. You can also drag them along the student row as well. You can also assess individually, or use the group assessment and adjust individuals within the course. For a more detailed view, then you can click on the student's name in the list to the left. You can see the details for the assignment, full learning outcomes, due date, and the assessment grid. However you decide to grade the assignment, this will then be transferred to the grid view. Press back next to the student's name to return to the course grid view. You can also add assessments from the Create or Edit page. Click on the assignment name to open the Edit page. The Assessment tab allows teachers to assess directly from this view. Individual comments can be made from this view. The status can be changed from this view as well. The grade will still be applicable to the averages and still appear on the grid view. Use the additional codes on the scale to show absence or excused. If a number 0 is entered, then this will count as 0. If the assessment should not be included in averages, then enter null or nothing.